The topic is very simple. What is something that everyone must know about India? ऐसा क्या है जो सबको भारत के बारे में पता होना चाहिए? There are so many things that everyone should know about India. Like everyone must know about India that India had got its freedom on 15th August 1947. Like everyone should know about India that Indians celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. What is something that everyone must know about India? Like everyone must know about India that the national animal of India is a tiger. Like everyone must know about India that the capital of India is Delhi. Everyone must know about India that India is an Asian country. Everyone must know about India that the national song of India had been written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Or everyone must know about India that our national anthem had been written by Ravindranath Tagore ji. Everyone must know about India that India has the second largest film industry in the world. Second largest film industry in the world, Bollywood industry. Or something. India has the second largest population in the world. That is also everyone should or everyone must know about it. That Delhi is the capital of India. Like now or currently everyone must know about India. Jammu and Kashmir is not a state of India. Now it's a union territory after scrapping the Article 370 from our constitution. So that is also everyone must know about India. Everyone must know that before 1947 there was no Pakistan. There was only India. So everyone must know about India that Pakistan had been separated from India, or everyone must know that Pakistan was the territory of India. So that is also everyone must know before 1947 or before the partition of India. So everyone must know about India that Indian Constitution had been written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and also everyone must know about India that Indian Constitution had been written in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. So everyone must know about India that India is the only country where you can find the largest number of vegetarian people, or the highest number of vegetarian people you can find in only India. So that is also everyone must know about India. Everyone must know that so many local languages are spoken in India at different regions. So that is also everyone must know. Everyone must know about India that the sign of Ashoka light has been taken from Ashoka's pillars. What do you say? Everyone must know about India that our national song is kaun sa hai? Vande Mataram. That is also everyone must know about India. Like everyone must know about India that our national anthem is Jan Gan Man. So that is also everyone must know about India. Must know about India that India first had been ruled by Mughals and after that by Britishers. So that means everyone must know about India that India almost had been ruled for more than 600 years. So that is everyone must know about India. Must know about India that India is a vast culture country and it has its own flora and fauna. Hoist the flag. H-O-I-S-T, hoist. Everyone must know about India that the ancient name of India was a golden bird. Everyone must know about India that Kohinoor had been found in India, and after that it had been stolen by Britishers and it had been taken to London from India. So that also everyone must know about India. But must know about India that India has the largest constitution in the world, largest handwritten constitution in the world. So that is also everyone must know about India. You can say that everyone must know about India, that India's first prime minister was Jawaharlal Nehru and first president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So that is also everyone must know about India. Like everyone must know about India that zero had been discovered in India by Aryabhatta. So that is also everyone must know about India.